Want to back up your important Line chat history on Android? It's simple. Line has built-in backup and restore features, so you can easily save and restore your messages. Here's how to do it. Part 1. Tutorial to back up Line chat messages on Android. Open Line and go to the chat. Tap the settings icon, select Backup Chat History and choose your backup option. Step 4. Then you need to confirm your option and send the backup files to your email. Step 5. Enter your email address and then tap on Send to complete the Line chats backup. Part 2. How to restore Line chats from backup. Open Line and go to the chat. Tap the menu and select Chat Settings. Press Import Chat History to restore from SD card. Option 2. Save the backup files to Line's backup folder manually. Connect your phone to the computer and save backup files to the Line backup folder. Open Line, tap the menu, select Chat Settings, and choose Import Chat History to restore.